Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen clearly. So this is 20th of July. So I'd like us to start off analysis with the chart on my screen. This is Euro USD. This chart has been consolidating for some times now. As you can see, we had a very good support zone here. We had a very good resistance zone here. So the price has not given us any clear indication that there is a valid breakout either to the upper side or to the lower side. So before then we had this level here. So we were looking at this level and saying that as long as the price is held within these two lines, we are waiting for a break below it for us to pick a sell. The price indeed broke below it. It did not continue downwards. It again came back upwards, broke again above it. And as we're speaking right now, the price has again broke and is somehow going to close below 1.2098. So this right here is a very good place to be looking for a sell from. As long as the price is held below this line, 1.12098, this is a good place to consider looking for a sell from. We do expect that the sellers will push us downwards up to around 1.11466. So while the price is held below these two lines, expect the sellers to push us downwards at least up to this target. If that target is broken, expect the price to continue downwards towards 1.10359. So that is my opinion on that chart. The other chart which I'd like us to have a look at is GBP USD. So with GBPUSD so far, the price is also bearish. We are looking at a possible continuation of the current downtrend. So we are having this level here. We're having a very good level there. So we had like a support. There is a break below. We now have a support here. So with that level, as long as the price does not break and close below it, that is going to be a good place to look for a sell from. This right here is going to be a very good place where we want to look for a sell from, a buy from, if the price can come down and touch it. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. So with this chart here, we are downwards, but the price is correcting itself to the upper side. So we have this. And then we have another. So if the price can go up and touch somewhere along this trend line, then this should give us the best place to look for a sell from. So we're just waiting to see what happens when the price goes up and touches this line. If it does not break and close above it, then this will give us the best place to look for a sell from. The other chart, I want us to look at the SP500. This is upwards. You can see that the price has been in a very good uptrend. So we had a resistance here. It was broken. We had another resistance here. It was broken. And then we have another resistance here. We are now waiting for price to clearly break and close above it. When that happens, then that will be a good indication that the price is continuing to the upper side. So we expect the price to break above this line, 4568.6. When that happens, then that will be an indication that the price is continuing to the upper side. The other chart is gold. On gold so far, we were waiting for sell positions, but for some reasons the price keeps moving to the upper side. We have a very good resistance level here. So we have a support, there is a break below, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, and we have a resistance here. As long as the price does not break and close above this resistance zone, then this should be the best place to look for a sell from. So we are just waiting to see what happens. If the price gets to this level but does not break and close above it, then this will give us a good place to look for a sell from. So that's my opinion on that chart. The other chart is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has been in a range for a very long time now. As you can see, we had this range here. Look at what has been happening. The price has been contained within this range for almost, this is the first week, second week, third week, and currently the price is still within the same range. So if the price should break above this line or below this line, it will be a good indication that we may continue in that direction to the lower side. Or if the price as it is now, this is a good buy. So we may see the bars push price upwards towards around 31,409.89. So we'll be looking for buy positions up to this target. If this target is broken, we expect the bars to push us even higher. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.